Well, hey YouTubers, long time no sail. It's been coming up on a year. Last time we actually went to Catalina and made it was July of 2020. So this is mid-June 2021 and we're headed out. We just went through a pod of dolphins, large pod, hundreds of them, and they were jumping out of the water and going crazy. Pretty cool. We left at about 9 o'clock this morning-ish and went down to the fuel dock, took on about 20 gallons, which filled our tank. And now we are about 2 miles from the shipping lanes, headed straight towards the west tip, northwest tip, and we're gonna go around the backside. Some fishing boats, sailboats. It's early on a Friday, so we're not expecting a whole ton of traffic. Buddy boat behind us, friend Sergio, marina friend, in his power boat. He's going to go to the front side, we're going to go to the back side, and we'll probably meet up on the island. Anyway, I'll give you an update here in a bit.
Our friend Sergio took this shot as he passed us aboard his powerboat. It's always nice to have shots of your boat while it's underway. So just after dropping the hook in our favorite anchor spot, we were soon greeted by a nice couple that motored over to tell us that they were subscribers to our YouTube channel. They also said that some of our videos were inspiring to them. That was really nice to hear. Big shout out to Seth and Louisa of sailing vessel Astral. As it turned out, Sailor James of Sailing Tritea fame was anchored across from us. We crossed paths on the island and traded stories. He was sorting out problems from his first attempt at sailing to Hawaii.
Hey YouTube buddies. Well, it's been an interesting stay. We really enjoyed our time on the backside of Catalina. Today is, what is today's date, sweetheart? 21st, Monday the 21st, and we're coming back. Got some stuff to do back at the marina. We met Sailor James sailed in while we were back there. Sailed back in from his trip to Hawaii. Anyway, we saw Sailor James there, and I'm sure he'll expand on his time at Catalina Island in his video. Sailing vessel Astral out of San Pedro. They were back there. They came over and said hello. They follow us on YouTube, and I guess maybe they'll get the channel going and we can follow them back. Anyway, Seth.
You can find Astral.
And what was Seth's wife's name?
Instagram. Seth and Louisa.
Seth and Louisa. Yeah, lovely couple. And yeah, you can find them on Instagram. Sailing vessel Astral.
Yes.
Anyway, so pretty uneventful. I'll go into more details towards the end of the video and do kind of a wrap up of this kind of shakedown cruise and what broke and what worked. So hang in there. Anything comes up, we'll let you know.